Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I just wanted to kind of do a little intro in case you wanted to gather some things together to play along with me. I'm going to do a Making Multiples Christmas version, and I decided to use the Old Time Christmas that I have from Artymaze. I love this kit. It's got music, it's got holly, it's got a little bit of everything. And what I have printed so far, I haven't printed everything, but I'm going to be making 7 of these journals. They'll be a TN size, and I've printed out, well, let me pull it, I've got them all sectioned off. I've pulled out this page, and I've printed this on the paper. These are the song sheets. Now, all the journals will not be identical because I've cut out things that there's 4 of these on a page. I'm doing 7 journals, so one for each, and I'll have an extra. So I'm going to be using those. I did the same thing with these envelopes, 2 to a page, and I believe there's a couple of different kinds. So 1 for each on the envelopes. Same for these. These are, let's see, there's a coin envelope here, and this, that's not what I thought it was. So anyway, but it's got a little tuck spot there. I thought that was an envelope, but anyway, that's fine. It will work. Then I've printed, and I've printed these ephemera on cardstock 2 to a page, except for the envelopes. Envelopes are on 28-pound paper. But these are 2 to a page, so they're a little bit smaller. This one has the tabs, the tickets, the banners, and so I've printed 4 of those because this is plenty of tabs for more than one journal. Then I printed these. These are just like little journal cards and tucks, and I have printed those 2 to a page as well. And then this sheet, which goes both directions. So we've got the kids with the sleigh, Merry Christmas, and then we've got Santa on the top. So I've printed out 4 of those. And like I said, I'm making 7, so I'll have an extra set of some of these things. So I probably should have made 8. And maybe I'll make 1 and keep it for myself. The children and Santa, so I've done multiples of that. Okay, and then next we've got tags. There again, everything's 2 to a page for the ephemera because I want to make sure it fits in the Traveler's Notebook. Now, I have the full-size kit and the Traveler's Notebook kit. I like to buy both when I'm buying a collection because then I can make the Traveler's Notebook. There's usually a little bit more ephemera in the larger kit, which I can just shrink down, and that way I'm covered. I'd rather have more than less. So these are great tags, which fit, incidentally, inside these pockets. And so I figured there's 4 to a page, so I've done them twice on a page, and that gives me 2 pockets for each journal. Okay, so I've decided to use this for the center. Now, I don't know why, but when I print out the Traveler's Notebook size, on my screen it shows centered, but when it prints it out, it's always to the end. And when I first bought this printer, it did center it, and I was so excited thinking I could align things on the back, and all of a sudden now it doesn't do that. So I don't know if that has something to do with borderless or what, but I printed out these TN size background pages on 8 by 10, and I'll show you why I did that. Mainly because I do have the borderless setting, so I'm wondering if that has something to do with it. But this is the center of all the journals will have that page, and then this is some miscellaneous pages. I've got this writing page, and this writing page. And these are going to be the covers. Now the covers are printed on cardstock, and they are printed out on 8.5 by 11 size, so you can see it's borderless. When I compare it to this, I'll bring this back in so you can see. You have the border on these because they're 8 by 10, and then these are 8.5 by 11. So this is what I'm going to use for the cover, and I think I'm going to go ahead and print another one of these because I only had one of these. Then my printer jammed, and I thought, well, I'll just do 7, but no. I'm going to be using this one for a cover. I love these, so cute. And I'll be using these for a cover. So I've got 2 of everything except that first one, so I think I'll go ahead and print another one. It won't be that difficult, but yeah, I think this one's my favorite. If I have to choose. So those will be my covers, and then just to show you the difference. Now this is just a piece that that I printed when I was playing with it. This is the borderless size, as you can see, for the cover, and this is just on paper because I was playing, but this is big enough for the cover. Now this is the one that's 8 by 10, and you can see when I put it inside the page, I have about 1/8 of an inch top and bottom and 1/4 of an inch on the right, which will allow me to add lace. So that's why I printed them that way. So that's what I'm going to be doing next week, making some multiples. So if you'd like to join me, that would be awesome. I didn't plan on doing Christmas, but a lot of people have asked about Christmas. So I thought, well, you know, I have this collection from Artymaze already. I'll go ahead and use it. And I also have another one that I think I'm going to do after this, using my Christmas collection that I have, that scrapbook paper. I don't remember if it was Paper Studio or not. But I had taken out half of it and used it for Christmas in July, and I have half of it left. So I think I'm going to be doing some hanging file folder wraparound journals. So that will be coming up the following week. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, I'm going to get these all cut out and pull some papers ready to go, and then we will get started on this on Monday. Okay? Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great weekend.